Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning out September in my Plum paper planner. What's up everyone, welcome back. Today, like I said, we're going to be diving into the month of September. I have my Christian Designs kit. I really like this one and didn't even notice it until it came in that it has like these little like leaves and things like that in the pattern right here, which I think is really cool. I did go ahead and get these skinny event labels to match. Now this is something that you can ask for on the website. So you would just get the customizable labels, and then in the notes when you get ready to check out, just say that you want the labels to match whatever it is that you want it to match. I just normally say like September monthly or October monthly, things like that. So I also have my Christian Designs binder here from the Celebrations collection, so I can add things in there for that. I did kind of start to pre-plan. I kind of started this last week and then just kind of didn't finish it, but there's really not a whole lot to add in here like I thought I was going to need to do. And I'm trying to remember exactly where it is that I had to, oh no, this is not going to end well. This is one of the reasons, there we go. I am so skeptical about staying in this planner because it does stuff like this. And I'm honestly trying to not cover up the numbers. I was like, why am I putting that there? All right, let's see if I can get this down. Oh, thank goodness. I don't think that that's perfectly straight, but it works. So I do go ahead and just get the Sunday start. For a while there I was like, oh, I want all of my planners, here we go again, stuck to the page. I want all of my planners to have a Monday start, but honestly it just wasn't working for me. All right, see if we can get this one down without any drama. Not too bad. All right, next I'm going to get the date covers down. I have these little tweezers. Let's see how far I get through all of these numbers. It is really hard to get these things down straight. I'm not even sure that tweezers are helping me at this point. Maybe a little bit. I feel like they're kind of getting in the way, but I don't see how I'm going to get these down straight or not spend 12 years trying to get them put down. All right, let's speed things up. So the date covers are down. I do like the way that that looks. I want to put the sidebar stuff down. Did I do this last month? I kind of want to check. I think I did after the fact. Yes, I did. I'm going to kind of fill in some things right here, but I just haven't gotten to that part just yet. But it is one of the things that I do love about Christian Designs sticker kits. I also really just love this kit for September in general. I know that a lot of people keep saying, you know, oh, it's hard to believe that it's September, but I really feel that way too. It's been like, you know, some months felt like they took forever, and then September, I feel like the last couple of months have just flown by. And I feel like I'm definitely not going to get this down straight at all, but we're going to try. And I think that that'll do. That works. That looks really nice. Okay, got that stuff down. I don't think I need this sheet at all really for anything else, but now I need my event labels. So for paydays, I realize I only wrote a couple down. I think I'm missing a few, and those are probably Jesse's, and they need to be on the 2nd and the 16th, but that is okay. And I think what I'm going to do is use the red ones for paydays. So I need about 6 of those, or 7, I think. And it is always definitely so much easier to write on the stickers than to try to write on the sticker once it's on your planner. I am like, ooh, these are like really attached to the, I don't know what happened there. I just ripped one like right off the paper. Like it didn't come off all the way. Oh, that's not gonna work. All right, let's try another one. Because I still need it, but that one did not want to play nice. That was weird. That almost never happens. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, much better. So we've got that one for the 1st, and then one on the 21st, which I think is YouTube payday. And then let's see. Let's get this one down first. I'm getting ahead of myself. We have the 9th, and that's also Nathan's birthday, so I definitely need to leave space for that. I'm going to need my tweezers, I swear. It's so, like, I don't know what it is lately. I need all the help I can get with laying down stickers. All right, there's that one. And then the 23rd. Sometimes the tweezers help, sometimes they are not of any help. And then we've got the 2nd and the 16th. I think what it is just that I'm so nervous to get something put down and then it's never gonna come back up again, sort of thing. All right, so let's put in some days off for work. Just want to get that off there because it's distracting me. So I actually did take off the 3rd. We're off on the 6th for Labor Day, but we thought we would make it a nice long weekend so that both of us are actually off, which is really, really cool. So we'll just do day off here. Always nice when you can pair like a long weekend or, you know, a holiday and then add on one more day and have a long weekend and have it not cost you like a ton of, you know, vacation time, which is always nice. So there's that one. And then the one for the 6th. And there, oh my gosh, that one's like really crooked. I know you guys are probably like, we knew you were gonna see that. Now I have to find my undo. Sometimes I don't see how crooked the stickers are until something else around it is super crooked. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get that up for a second. Give that a minute. And definitely one of the things that I've noticed is if undo gets on the top of a sticker, see how it's on the marker right there? Don't touch that. It will smudge it like crazy and then it'll get all on the paper around it. Just save yourself the aggravation. Don't even touch that. It'll dry on its own. Much better. I don't think there's any others that are like so crooked. All right, next up, yes, I am going to be marking that Lula Rich is on the 10th. I cannot freaking wait. Now, the only downside is that I can't really stay up and watch, like if they decide that they're gonna release all 4 or 5 episodes, because it's like a mini-series type of thing, or a mini docu-series. I can't stay up because I'm speaking at a conference the next day, virtually. I don't think we'll be, I personally will not be ready anytime soon to go to such a large event, at least not in the next couple of months. Messed up that sticker. It's a good thing I have extra. All right, that one almost ripped off the paper as well. That's weird. I think I'm just pulling them up at a weird angle. Let's move that out of the way. And then I think I want to use, there's not going to be a really like a big enough sticker for this. So I'm trying to see if in my sticker book, if I have something that is orange. I don't think a half box. Does a half box fit in here? I'm not even sure. Oh, it does. Okay. Let's use the star one because I feel like this orange kind of goes better. And that's for the Sugary Gal Shop New York conference. I actually spoke at it in person a few years back and it was awesome. So this year I'm sure it's going to be great even though it's virtually, but I'm just excited to be asked again to speak at it, and you know, hopefully one day it'll be back in person again. All right, and then I'm definitely going to pick one for... Definitely going to pick a half box for Nathan's birthday. I'm thinking the red, but then there's already red on the page there. So my other option is to find a blue sticker. I mean, not that it has to match exactly, because I could also pick this aqua color, which I'm sure I have plenty of. So as far as the blue goes, I don't have anything really, really close, but the aqua color I do, I think. I thought I had a half box. Okay, maybe I'll use this blue half box. We're gonna have to make it work. So hard to believe that my youngest child is going to be 19. Don't feel like that adds up. Oh, that's not gonna fit. I mean, it's like barely. That's gonna have to work. It's also not exactly straight either. I have kind of like given up. It's kind of frustrating with this planner. Just, yeah, stickers not wanting to cooperate. All right, so that is really it so far. I have a lot of like work things, but I don't put work things in this planner, so, and a lot of it's more towards here, towards these 2 weeks. So we're just gonna leave those alone for now, but I am going to add in the Celebrations collection stuff, which is one of my absolute favorite. And I'm honestly thinking, oh, that's not gonna fit either. There's just not a whole lot of space in these boxes. Not as much as what I'm trying to use anyway. So let's go to the holidays. It's one of my favorite things about the Chrissy Ann Design Celebrations collection is that you get like all of these holidays, and it has like little arrows and things pointing to exactly what day they belong to. So that is awesome. Okay, so let's see, September 4th is Wildlife Day, and I'm just gonna pick the ones that I think will look nice on days that I have space. So let's see, I know there was Labor Day, September 6th, and they don't all exactly match the current kit, but that's gonna be fine. The 8th is Ampersand Day. Let's move these over here. And then I know there's also month stickers, and that's what I kind of wanted to put over here. So that's on the 8th. I also have a couple of birthdays I need to add. I might have to put those over here though. And then on the 11th, of course, is Patriot Day. That's also the day of the conference. Oh, now I feel like I definitely should have made that smaller. Okay. Live and you learn, live and you learn. I'm going to take this off just because I really want Patriot Day to be in my planner. And I'm not going to lie, these are times where I wish I had 2 of these Celebrations collections, because I would like this in my daily as well, but I also love it in my monthly. I can't win. I can't win the planner game. All right. Okay, this like really... If you guys have used Undo with any other planner, then you know that it is really not that difficult to remove things. It's the Plum paper. Anyway, let's find something else. Something else to put. Can I fit it on a skinny event label? I guess I could just ignore the fact that there's a box there. Let's see how badly it bothers me. I mean, I guess that's not too bad. It's not as great as the half box. Gotta make a sacrifice somewhere, right? Okay, so there's that. I'm super excited about it though, because I am doing a hot take session. So it's basically like an unpopular opinion thing, and I feel like that is my jam. I love talking about stuff like that. All right, the 12th is Grandparents' Day. Then on the 14th, we have Live Creative Day. That is really cute. The 15th is Online Learning Day. That always makes me kind of nervous. I mean, like, I know there's been online college and things like that, but you guys, we already have school districts around here that are closing down and going back to like all virtual because things have just gotten so out of hand. So yeah. Okay, Guacamole Day is on September 16th. I can get down with that. Love some guac. I know, I have met people who don't like guac. It's interesting. All right, the 20th is Pepperoni Pizza Day. Love pepperoni pizza. That's actually what we had for dinner this evening. I'm filming this on a Friday. Oh, and then the first day of fall is on the 22nd. Fall was actually my favorite season of the whole year. I would love to hear what your favorite season is. But fall is definitely my favorite, mainly because the temperatures cool down a little bit. Food is just a very motivating factor for me. All right, and then let's see, the 25th, we're going to do comic book day. Fun fact, I don't think I've ever read a comic book in my life. And then, I almost put National Coffee Day down, but that is in October. Okay. All right, so that's it, I think. Now, I was going to do one other thing. So September is the month of, let's see what's in this book. September is actually Hispanic Heritage Month and Save Your Photos Month. Oh, I feel like that's going to be a struggle for me. Because I'm constantly working on like getting rid of photos in my on my phone and things like that, but I really need to do better about printing some things. But I love that there are stickers for both Save Your Photos Month and Hispanic Heritage Month. Love that. And then it is also Thyroid Cancer Awareness Month. And if you've been around for a minute, then you know that I am a thyroid cancer survivor. So it is something that is obviously near and dear to my heart because it has affected a very good portion of my life. So I think that we are done. Is there anything else? I feel like I'm forgetting a million things per usual. So one of the things is the Plum paper planner does come with this like dashboard page. I'm not a huge fan of it simply because it's like this material for the dividers, the same material that you have to write on. You can't use regular pen over here. So I typically will just take a like glue stick type thing and glue it together so that the month page actually opens up on the month view as it should be. Gosh darn it. Okay. All right, guys, that is it for this monthly plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.